Hey yo, welcome back guys to another video where today I'm gonna do this 7 days challenge. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk to myself in the mirror for 7 days straight, and what exactly am I doing is I'm actually talking confidence into myself, you know, like those terms where
you are confident, you are best, you can do this, you are the greatest.
You know what I mean? All those motivational videos, the guy who usually says
you gotta wake up, first thing you gotta do is go to the nearest mirror
and tell yourself you're great, tell yourself you're confident. I just want to see if that actually works. This is going to be a 7-day challenge, and yeah, I think I can do this. It's a 7-day challenge. I'm gonna record most of it, but most of the time I'm not gonna record it. I'm just gonna log in every day to tell you how I feel, and yeah, it's just a 7-day challenge. I'm gonna see at the end, at the final day, if I do feel any difference. So yeah, let's count this as day 1, and yeah, let's get right into it. Whoa, hopefully hopefully that transition looks better in editing. I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom, and as you can see, this is where I'll do the magic, and this is the bathroom which I will be going to right there. Hello. So yeah, that is the bathroom. I mean, that's about it. I'm just gonna record myself just to let you guys know what I'm actually saying. Yo, so yeah, let's just get right into it. You confident. You are great. You can reach the top. You're really good. You're hardworking. You're strong. Boy, is that a pimple? You are confident. You are strong. You can do this. Your hair definitely needs to. You are strong. You're calm. You have a beard. Kind of. You're strong. You're strong. You're awesome. Bro, let's do this. GG's. The best. Yep, that's about it. I'm just gonna lay back off. See what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do this for like maybe 5 minutes, maybe even 4 minutes. 4 minutes every day for 7 days straight. But I'll see you guys in day 2. Hey yo, so it's day 2 of the challenge which I'm doing, which is the 7 days confident talk mirror blah 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 challenge. And yep, this is the same bathroom as you can see, same opening the door and lights, I guess. Also, I'm just gonna show you guys a time-lapse version of me talking to the mirror. So yeah, that's that. So this is the montage right here. Yo, so just finished the confidence talk in the mirror, I guess. So that's day 2. In terms of what I'm feeling, nothing much, to be completely honest with you. It's just the same old me, I guess. So yeah, that's about it. I'll meet you guys in day 3. Oof. Yo, welcome back guys. Wait, give me a second. There we go. The microphone was placed the opposite direction. Anyways, today it's day 3, and nothing has happened. So it's day 3, and I'm doing with the confidence self-praise challenge. And in terms of what I'm feeling, again, this time I'm actually motivated and I'm actually hyped up to do the entire thing. Yesterday I wasn't that hyped up, but today I am feeling a little bit hyped up to do the challenge. Maybe it's just I don't know. Anyways, that's about it. Yeah, so same thing as yesterday. I'm actually gonna put the camera and do a time lapse on what I'll be doing, just for the video's sake. And other than that, I'm not gonna do anything else. Yeah, and also after day 3, I am gonna log on day 6 and then day 7. That's it. I'm not gonna log in for day 4 and day 5. It just seems like I'm dragging the video too long. I might even just skip to day 7. So but nah, I'm gonna log in day 6 and then I'm gonna log in day 7. And that's about it guys. That's about it. So yeah, let's just get right into the montage. Or time lapse. Hey yo, so right now I'm gonna do the montage right there. So yep. Hey yo, so back over here. As I said, the reason I'm in this room is because there's a lot of noise in the area which I usually record. But yeah, as you can see, this room is a mess. So yeah, one thing I've actually started to do is actually when I talk to myself in the mirror, as you can see in the mirror, I'm starting to use hand signs. So more like, you know, you are confident, you are strong. I try to keep straight eye contact as well as use a lot of hand signs. For some reason that makes it more powerful, so that's one reason I'm doing it. I mean, like talking for like standing still like a robot and talking doesn't seem much of a impactful way, I guess. So I try to do is like I use hand signs and power poses and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's about it. That's day 3 and that's done. So the next thing which I'm actually gonna do is log in for the camera on day 6 and day 7. So the next time you see me, that's 2 days later, but for you guys it's just the next frame or the next transition. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in day 5. Hey yo, welcome back guys to day 6. So for you guys it's just another frame, but for me it's been 2 days and I have been doing the self-praise in the mirror, as I said. And in terms of what I'm feeling, I'm actually feeling quite different. Not too much, like not in an extreme way, but I would say out of 100% I would definitely say 5% extra. That's it, 5% extra confident, I would say. But other than that, this is day 6 and yeah, that's about it. I mean, I'm not really sure what else to say. Now, since I've already done like pretty much a lot of montages, like not montages, time lapses, like I think like 3 times already. I don't want to do it the 4th time. I am gonna do on day 7, which is tomorrow, a final time lapse. I'm gonna tell you how I feel. How is it improved? Is it efficient to do this? Is it more, do I feel more confident? All that kind of stuff I'm gonna let you guys know tomorrow. But other than that, this is just me logging in for day 6. That's it. But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in day 6, which is just a turn away. Yo! Anyways, it's been another day, and as I said, this is day 7 and this is the final day of my challenge, which I'm gonna complete. It's just a 7-day challenge, and let's talk on how I feel. Okay, I really hope you guys can see me because I can't see myself. But anyways, it's day 7, and again, to sum it all up, I was doing this challenge where I talk to the mirror and basically I talk really good about myself for 7 days straight, and I want to see if that actually improves me. And this challenge has only been done for a period of 7 days. So it's not a long period. It's like, it's not even a period, like it's just a week challenge. Like I wouldn't even consider this a challenge. But in those 7 days, well 6 because I haven't done the 7th day yet, but in those 6 days when I was doing those challenges, when I was talking to the mirror, the first few days felt really boring. It really didn't seem like it had such an impact on me. And ever since day 3 and day 4, day 5, 6, all those days has been interesting, because especially yesterday when I was doing the challenge, when I was doing the self-praise, you could say, I did feel a little bit empowering while I was doing the challenge, but it didn't last very long. It only lasted for like maybe 20 minutes and then I just forgot about it. Again, the reason that might be is because I've only done this for 7 days. Overall, I would say this challenge, the self-praise talking thing in the mirror, I still don't know how to call it, didn't really impact me the way I wish it would. Maybe reason being because it's only been 7 days. Maybe if I had tried it for 1 month, I might get a different results. But it didn't really impact me the way I wanted to. And it did maybe like 10%. I mean, it's better than the 5% which I did in which I mentioned day 3 or day 4, I'm not really sure. But maybe 10% overall improvement. And I think 10%, that only lasted for like a few minutes, like maybe like 15 minutes. So it's not the 7 days, it didn't really affect me, but you guys should definitely try it because everyone is not the same. Maybe one of you might try this for 1 day and then it might actually change your life forever. So everyone has their own way of being successful, I guess. So you guys should definitely try this out. It didn't work for me as well as I said. This is the 3rd time I'm saying it, or the 4th time. Didn't work as well as I wanted to be. but you guys can try. Let me know in the comments down below if it actually worked for you. I really would like to know if it actually did make a change for you guys. But this is only day 6. There's one more time lapse to do. Let's get right into it. Yo, I just realized I had this pimple this entire time. Hopefully it doesn't seem that well seen for you guys to see, but anyways, so yeah, this is my last day, final time lapse, and let's just get right into it. And there we go. That is day 7 done. Yeah, that's about it. That's 1 week completely done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below if you tried this challenge, or if it has been more impactful for you than it has been for me. So yeah, I'll be posting random stuff, random challenges, random vlogs, just random bunch of stuff. So make sure to hit the bell. You guys know what to do. Peace out.